Hello guys, this is the part 2 of the tutorial how I am creating drawer inserts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make holes for alignment the individual pieces for gluing together.
So I'm going to turn off the drawer, turn off the analysis. And now you have to know the dimensions of your 3D printer, like your maximum possible printing size. Because I have a Prusa Mini Plus, I have something like 180 cubic millimeters, and I don't want to use the exact 180 millimeters. I want to use something like 170 because there can be some brim or something in the settings. So usually if you use the exact the same dimensions, you can have the problem to place the component on your print bed in your slicer. So now this is 272 millimeters. So I have to split it in half this way, and I have to split it in thirds here this way. So let's do this. What I like to do is just to take some of the top face, create a sketch. Because I centered the drawing before, I don't need to do it now, like set the dimensions between these two parts. And because of this, I can just draw a line on this green line. This is the middle line. Finish sketch. And now I can use the split body tool. I'm going to click it, body to split. Select this body, splitting tool, this line. As you can see, it extends the line where it needs to be extended to cut this thing. Now you can see that there is just one insert. I'm going to hit OK. And now I have the insert 1, insert 2. So now it's split into two parts. Now let's repeat this process. But now I'm going to set it on 3 parts in this way. It doesn't need to be the same size, like it can be like smaller ones and bigger part, but there is a need to be this dimension. I want to make it 160, smaller than your print bed size. Now I'm going to put it. Now I define it. This defines the dimensions between these two lines, but I can still move it whenever I want. So now I have to set the dimensions from this line to the middle, and I want it to be half of this dimension. So now I have it exactly in the middle, but as you can see, this cut is going into this part, into the fillet. I don't like it. I want to make it somewhere here. So let's try to make it 170, and it's pretty exactly like I want it. But what if I do it 150? No, 120 is here. Okay, from this to this. Okay, I can use this one. Save. Now let's split the bodies again. Split body, body to split this one and this one, splitting tools, this one and this one. So it makes two cuts through two bodies. It's gonna make 6 bodies for me. Look at this, there will be 6 inserts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, as you can see, I split it apart for the 6 separate bodies. And now, if you want to make more easy to connect these things together, you just need to make something to align these things together. The normal filament has a 1.75 millimeters diameter. I find out that it's easy to just cut something like a 1 centimeter or something like this pieces of the filament and 3D print the holes in your design and just put this filament into this hole.
Now I will show you how to create these holes easily. You could probably use a symmetric extrude, but I want you to understand how it works. So I will do it in the easy way. First, I'm going to hide the bodies which I don't need so I can get a view of the cut. I will create a sketch here and on it I will create at least two 1.8 millimeters diameter circles. I click on Finish Sketch, then extrude and pull them to something like -8 millimeters. The idea is to make the hole at least 1 millimeter deeper than half of the cut filament piece. I need to do this on all faces I will be joining together. Once I have done this on one body, I can use projection to copy the sketch in exactly the same place and remove the material in the same way on the other side. I repeat this process for all the bodies and we are done. I recommend to concentrate on the video to see how to switch off the display of the individual bodies and copy the already finished sketches using the project function, letter P, on your keyboard. Then we just upload bodies to our printer slicer. There's no need to make supports for these holes. The printer can print them without any problems. Hopefully, this tutorial has given you an idea of how to work with this. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.